5G Systems Survey Training, Best 5G Training. This is 2 days training course presented by Tonex Training. 5G Training, 5G Systems Survey Training, presents 5G innovation, engineering and conventions. 5G air interface and the center system advancements and arrangements are likewise talked about. The course incorporates traffic cases and survey of arrangements, organizations and items. Both 3GPP and IMT 2020 methodologies are secured. Learn about the key 5G standards, administrations and specialized perspectives. Reason for executing 5G in the current versatile ecosystem. 5G use cases and applications. 5G range highlights. 5G systems versus conventional LTE, LTE-N and LTE Genius systems. Utilization of NFV/SDN and system slicing in 5G system. 5G radio access organize including 5G new radio, NR. Course planned for network engineers, specialists, administrators, showcasing and activity faculty who need a review of the 5G systems including 5G radio access network, RAN, 5G new radio, NR, 5G center and reconciliation with LTE/LTE-N and LTE Pro. Course outline. Introduction to 5G mobile communication. Key principles of 5G systems. 5G system architecture. 3GPP 5G system architecture. 5G new radio, NR. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.